Hi, Bella. Are you at the vet for your first vet visit and checkup? You and your brothers and sisters? Hi, Elise. Are you going to have your first shot today? He's a good boy. Where you want to go? You want to go back with Sissy? Okay.
Okay, so Winston is next.
Where are you going, Winston? Where are you?
Look at you. Oh, look at that face. Oh my goodness. Oh, this box is cotton. All right, let's go get your weight and temperature. Yes, we're going to get your weight and temperature. You're going to be brand 101.0. Perfect, saying normal. You are huge. You are huge. You're going to be a big boy, aren't you?
Where are you? Where are you?
Look at those stripes. Oh my goodness, those are just precious.
Okay,
See,
come
yeah,
here.
no daredevil stuff here.
Okay.
And oh, goodness gracious. There you go. She's beautiful. Hi, gorgeous. Hello, beauty. Yes, you want to go get your weight and tell? Yes, she says, no, not really, but I will. Oh, you feel just sturdy, don't you? Yeah. Oh. Age 101.1.
Good. Okay, you ready for your sister? Bella.
This is Bella.
This is Bella.
Oh, what a gorgeous name for a gorgeous girl. Yeah. Okay, 0.44 and 101.4.
Very good. Okay, ready to go back with the rest of the family?
Okay. So Ian is just a recheck, make sure that he looks good and everybody's just getting their first shots, and that's it. All right. Well, then go get all your vaccines and Dr. Gifford, and we'll be right back. And everybody else is doing good at home.
They're fine.
Excellent. Good, good, good. All right. Well, it's good to see you guys. I haven't gotten to
Okay, Ian's in for his 8-week vet exam and recheck. And we're going to ask Dr. Gifford how she thinks he's doing.
All right, Ian. Oh, hold on, baby. So feminine.
This
Look
is
at you.
Bella.
Hello. Okay. Yep. Okay. Just gonna turn it over. Yes, I know I'm going back there. Yeah. Oh, come on. Here we go.
We're back from the vet, and a new toy was introduced, and everybody thinks it's pretty cool. Petunia wants out. She says, I've been in here long enough. I know, we brought your babies back, honey. Yeah. And Ian wants out to play, and so does Tanner. They don't care about toys. Group play. How much fun. Ian and Tanner don't care much about the new toy. They want to come out and play in the kitchen. But after nap time.